Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace front struts on a Cadillac XTS. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a quality strut compressor. Safety is paramount, so always use proper lifting techniques. Once the vehicle is securely elevated, remove the front wheel. Then, carefully disconnect any brake lines and ABS sensor wires attached to the old strut assembly. With the wheel off, you can now access the strut. Begin by unbolting the lower strut mounting bolts that connect it to the steering knuckle. These can sometimes be tight, so use appropriate leverage. Next, move to the engine bay and remove the upper strut nuts from the strut tower. Once all fasteners are loose, carefully guide the entire strut assembly out from its position in the wheel well. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: while you're working on your car, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for music or hands-free assistance. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time for the new strut. If you're reusing your old spring, carefully compress it using a strut compressor and transfer it, along with the top hat and bearing, to the new strut. Once assembled, guide the new strut into the strut tower. Hand tighten the upper nuts first, then align and secure the lower mounting bolts to the steering knuckle. Ensure all bolts are torqued to specification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.